Hello and welcome. My name is Brenda. SugarFreeMom.com is my website. I am a sugar detox coach and nutritional therapy practitioner, and I'm here today to show you how to make my dairy-free cloud bread loaf. And even if you think you're a terrible baker and you've tried my cloud bread loaf in the past and deflated on you, this one, foolproof, no matter how bad of a baker you think you are. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started.
Start by separating your egg whites from your egg yolks. Add the yolks to a high-powered blender. Add a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar to your egg whites in a stand mixer, and whip until stiff peaks. Add 1 cup dried egg white protein powder to your blender with the yolks. Add a half a cup of mayonnaise to your blender. Add 1/4 cup liquid allulose, but granular will also work. Add a half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. You're going to mix this on low at first, get it started, and then you might have to go a little bit higher to get it nice and smooth. There we are. Perfect. You are going to take this in batches and mix it on low speed into the egg white mixture. Don't worry if you see it on the sides. We're going to scrape the sides down during each batch to make sure it's fully incorporated. Don't worry if the egg whites deflate. It will still work. Pour this into a 7x4 parchment-lined loaf pan. Mine is cast iron, but a metal pan will also work. 300 degrees Fahrenheit, preheated, and bake for 50 minutes. And keep the oven off for 10 minutes before removing the loaf. You can actually slice this loaf warm, and it will not deflate on you. It's perfect for sandwiches, toasting with butter, avocado toast, however you like. You can even turn this into hamburger buns. It is truly foolproof, and it won't cave in on the sides, I promise you. This is the most delicious cloud bread loaf that is dairy-free and definitely worth your time. I hope you love this new recipe for dairy-free cloud bread loaf, and come back to my website, SugarFreeMom.com, and let me know, leave a comment, and let me know how you liked it. Also, you can find me on Facebook at SugarFreeMom.com, as well as Instagram and YouTube. Subscribe and follow for more delicious, low-carb, family-friendly keto recipes.